How you guys doing today? We have another video here for you guys. Any comments, I'm gonna start off with saying any comments you guys have for the fitments or setup that you guys may see here for your vehicles, please comment below. We're gonna break it down because the year span is from 2005 to 2013, but we're gonna break down the engine size because that's most important for this setup here. So what you're looking at here in the center, this is gonna be predominantly the kit we would use for the 5.7. That's the LS1, LS6 model, okay? Now what you see here is a pressure plate and flywheel. We do have a chromoly setup, the dial pins included. I know that's the ST you guys looking at with the chromoly, which is a much lighter setup. And this is predominantly for the 5.7. And the disc here can be used with this kit as well. Right here we have the stage 1, the stage 3, and the stage 4. As you can see, the hub, the stage 4 does not have the hub. So this disc can be used with the 5.7 setup as well. Now we're here with the self-adjusting pressure plate. This kit right here is used for the 6.0, the 6.2, and the 7.0, the self-adjusting setup. So why this video, why these parts are so unique is because they're interchangeable. They're interchangeable with these parts here. Now, we do have the conversion kit, again, comment below, where you can interchange some of these components, where you can use this with that, but this predominantly is for the 5.7. But when you message us, we can help you guys out with that. Now, if you guys, and then also, only thing that we're missing here is it does come with a slave pilot bearing and an alignment tool, which you would get if you purchase any one of these setups. Now, the prices will vary based upon the application you do go with, as far as the disc, the slave cylinder, the self-adjusting. I know for the 5.7, it's most sought after kit that we do sell for some swap setups they use for this self-adjusting setup as well. So like I said, any questions, comments, concerns about fitment, because you see in the flywheels, why I said fitment is because you see the cranks are very similar, but as you can see, the pressure plates there are different, but the stack height is the same. So if you have any questions about fitment, if it's gonna work with your vehicle, please comment below, and please share, like, and subscribe this video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And also, just so you know, this one starts from 97.
97.
So,
okay.
yeah, 97 to 2002 for the 5.7. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.